アグノと文法 A lot of Japanese learners understand can as できる but in real life, it's not always that simple. For example, how do you say I can eat in Japanese? Eat is 食べる and can is できる in Japanese. So you might think it goes 食べるできる But instead of just saying that, Japanese people say 食べれる But why? If you ever felt confused about how to use can in Japanese, stay tuned, this video will help. Step 1. The most basic way to say can in Japanese. The most basic way to say can in Japanese is できる and the negative form is できない But here's something important. This pattern usually works only when a noun or simple word comes right before it. Like in these examples. これできるこれできないこれ is a noun, so you can simply add できる or できない after it. Here's another one. 勉強できる運動できない In Japanese, you can use できる after simple words like 勉強 or 運動 Even though study and exercise are verb in English, they are considered a noun in Japanese, so we can say 勉強できる or 運動できない Step 2. When you want to say can with a verb, for example, so how do you say something like I can eat in Japanese? Eat is 食べる and can is できる, right? So maybe you think it's 食べるできる But actually, that's not how it works. When you want to say can with a verb, the verb form itself has to change. Japanese verbs come in several different types. For example, some end in る like 食べる and others end in ぐ like 泳ぐ In total, there are 6 main verb types in Japanese. Step 3. Let's take a look at them one by one. Number 1. Verbs that end in る For these verbs, instead of using できる we change る to れる For example, 食べる becomes 食べれる In everyday conversation, people often say 食べれる and 来れる instead of the grammatically correct forms 食べられる and 来られる These casual forms are widely used, but please note they are considered informal. Number 2. Verbs that end in ぐ Instead of using できる we change ぐ to げる For example, 泳ぐ becomes 泳げる Number 3. Verbs that end in う Instead of using できる we change う to 得る For example, 笑う becomes 笑える Number 4. Verbs that end in す Instead of using できる we change す to せる For example, 話す becomes 話せる Number 5. Verbs that end in む Instead of using できる we change む to める For example, 飲む becomes 飲める And last one, number 6. verbs that end in く. Instead of using できる, we change く to ける. For example, 気づく becomes 気づける. That's all for today. In this video, we learn how to say can in Japanese. First, we look at how to use できる with nouns, like 勉強できる、運動できない. Then, we went through 6 different verbs ending, like 食べる becoming 食べれる and 泳ぐ becoming 泳げる. Remember, in daily conversation, native speakers often use casual forms like 食べれる and 来れる, even though the formal forms are 食べられる and 来られる. Try making your own example sentences and leave a comment down below. In next video, we will learn how to say can't in Japanese using different verbs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video.